Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to fix Dead by Daylight initialization error. So let's start. So first of all, make sure to go to the Windows taskbar and hit this upside arrow right here. After that, make sure to terminate the launcher that you have Dead by Daylight on, either Epic Games or Steam. After that, select exit. Now once you do that, you just need to go to the Windows security. So double click on it. After that, go to protection, scroll down and select manage settings. After that, you need to just scroll all the way down and select add or delete exclusions. You just need to select add an exclusion. After that, select folder, and from here you just need to select the launcher that you have the game on, which is the Steam launcher. So go to your drive. After that, go to program files 86, search for Steam or Epic Games, select it. It will be added right here. Now if you do have any antivirus running in the background, make sure to right click and then select open quarantine. From here you will find all the possible threads that the antivirus automatically removed. So all you need to do, select all the related file to your game or to your launcher, like this for example. After that, select these three dots and click on restore and add exception. Lastly, it is possible to be an issue related to the drivers, so go to the search. After that, select NVIDIA app. If you can't find it, you can just download it from the browser. Once it opens, make sure to log in with your information. After that, go to drivers in the left menu and select install in order to update the existing driver. Select Express or Custom as you want. After that, click on Continue to initiate the process. Go to the Windows icon right here. After that, go to Settings. In the left menu, select Windows Update. After that, make sure to download and install the available updates you will find. Once you do that, make sure to restart your computer. And that's it. If you find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.